Namaskar. I am Mahavastu Acharya Sheetal Varga, and today I am going to tell you what are 16 zones in Mahavastu. As you all know, the 16 zones are divided into for the 5 elements. So here on my left hand side, you can see all 16 zones are visible. And you can see that north side is our water element, and on the east right represents the air element. The fire is on the south, and southwest represents our earth element. The west represents our space element, and the north. So let's start explaining you each zone by zone. Now we'll start from north. So what is north zone? North zone is a zone of customer. So what is a zone of customer? When you see your zone, your opportunities, your money, everything comes from your north zone. Then we'll move to north of northeast. North of northeast is a zone of health and immunity. So when a person is not well, so if you give him a glass of water, if he sits in the north of northeast direction and drink a glass of water, it will act as a medicine for him. So this is a health zone of health and immunity. Now we'll go to the next zone, that is northeast. Northeast is a zone of clarity. So your vision, your clarity, your place of meditation, this is northeast. Then we'll go to the direction of east of northeast. This is an air element zone. And what is east of northeast? It's a zone of fun and recreation. As we all know, in our life, fun and recreation is a must for us to get regenerated. So this zone is of east northeast, represents fun and recreation. And after the zone comes for east. East is a place of social networking. When day to day life you have good social connections, the purpose of the people that you meet are satisfied, so you have a good connections, that represents the east direction. And after that we'll go to the zone of east of southeast. East of southeast, here it is written as overthinking. So this is a zone of churning. You see the mixer, you can give an example of a grinder. It gives you, it's a process of churning. So when more like the more thoughts comes from it, so this is a zone of anxiety. So if you more use this place, you will have more anxiety. But the researcher, those who have or those who should have that churning thing, if they sit here, they get more ideas to it. And after that, we'll move to the direction of southeast. From here, the fire element start. So fire element here is a southeast, which is cash flow. So here from here we get the flow of cash. If in any house this zone is balanced, the cash flow is always good in these houses. After that we'll go to the direction of southeast. South and southeast is the direction of power and confidence. So when I tell we need a strength to fight on some situation, you so some person who is telling, no, I'm very afraid of it to face the situation, but few people tell, oh, I'm so strong to get away, I know about to go for it. So this strength, the power and confidence comes from this zone. And after that we'll go to the zone of south. What is south zone? South zone is a zone of fame and relaxation. So your fame, your name, you're relaxed, so this comes from the zone of south. After that, your earth element starts, and that is from south of southwest. So south of southwest is a place of disposable. So all your unwanted things which goes off gets disposed from your body. Though this place is one of the good place to have your toilets here. So south of southwest represents disposable. Then we'll go to the zone of southwest. Southwest is the zone of relationship, your ancestors. So southwest of the relation where your bonding between your relationship, your family members are good. So this represents relationship zone. After that we'll go to the space zones. The space zone stands from west of southwest. West of southwest is a place of saving, it's a place of knowledge. I'll give an example. When your child sits in this place and gains knowledge, he'll get all the knowledge which is required for him. So this is an expansion of knowledge place. Then from west of southwest, we'll go to the west direction. So west direction is a place of fulfillment and desires. So if you have something like the profits or the gains, whatever comes to you, this direction of your house, this zone of your house will give you the profits and gains. Then after that, we will go to the next direction, which is west of northwest. West of northwest is the direction of depression. So depression is a place where you can have your toilets. If you use more this of the place, you will be going more of depression. But if you are very much tired or you much feel that you are a depression, if you spend little time there, it'll you can easily come out of the depression. So most of the houses, the toilets are placed in west of northwest. And after that, we have a zone which is northwest. Northwest is the place of support. Any support in your function or a financial support from your banks are comes from the northwest direction. And after that, the last zone which I am talking about is the north of northwest. North of northwest is the direction of sex and attraction. As attraction means, if in a office or in a place, if you keep a product in that place, the customers will get attracted very easily and your sales will go. As similarly, if a boy or a girl who are in the age of a marriage, if you make them sleep in the north of northwest direction, they'll get married soon. So this places of north of northwest. So I explained all these zones in Mahavastu, and in this, what are the suitable zones for toilets? So there are three zones where you can have the toilets. As I told you, south of southwest, the east of southeast, and west of northwest. These three zones are there, we can have your toilets. And then what are the good entrances? So in the next video, I'll be coming up what are the zones or what are the directions which are good for you, which entrances will suit you. So keep watching it. Thank you.
हर घर